People stands for themselves, but stronger people stands for others. Hey, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab, hi and hello to all my brothers and sisters who are watching this video. This is Dhruv Singhal of Kanamana Millennium School, and today I am going to represent a very wonderful topic with the help of PPT. And the topic is human, a basic human need. Now, many of you will be confused about the topic that how a human can be a basic need of other human. Believe me, during the presentation you will be getting the answer of each and every question. So let's talk about need. What is the definition of need? A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Needs are also classified into types: basic needs and luxurious needs. The basic needs of human are shelter, food, water, clothing, and many other basic things. Now, one question arises in my mind, that is there something else without which we cannot even imagine our life? That is our people, our parents, our friends, our teachers, and our relatives. Friends help us to deal with the things. Teachers gives us guidance. And without relative, we are nothing. But guys, have you ever thought your life without your people? If yes, then believe me, you are living in a hell. And if no, why are we fighting with them? Though they are a part of our life, actually an important one, but we still fight with them. Stop fighting with them, because if they will not be there in our life will become like a sun without light. Now, there are the following things which are needed by a person in today's phenomenon by hurting others. First is power, attention, and respect, and many other things. We treat the people like royalty. If you honor and serve the people who work for you, they will honor and serve you. But have you ever thought that these things can be achieved without hurting the people? Believe me, you haven't thought about it. If you think that I can afford losing my people, and by doing this I can win, believe me, the one who wins will not be you. Then it will be your ego. Sometimes people come into your life for a moment, a day, or lifetime. It matters not the time they spent with you, but how they impacted your life in that time. Now we are going to discuss about the importance of our people. So, one of the things that makes life so fulfilling is the people we encounter and build relationships with along the way. Any sort of relationship, from a simple chat with our daily mail carrier to the first meeting of a future spouse, can give us either a moment or lifetime of happiness. While I was preparing for the presentation, I had took out a beautiful quote to make you understand about this concept more briefly. So the quote says, the importance of good people in our life is just like the importance of heartbeats. It's not visible, but silently supports our life. Now, I am going to tell you about how can you build a strong bond with others. Respect people. Respect their presence. Make their happiness yours and yours theirs. But listen, do not trust anyone blindly, because this will give you pain only. Now I am going to end this presentation by saying, like bonding of atoms make an element stable, same our bonding with others makes us stable. Thank you. Like the video and also enjoyed it. If you want to give any suggestion or type any comment, please type it in the comment box.